Hello everyone, welcome to the course on harmony in nature and existence. It's of module 4. These are the department vision and mission, and in today's class we'll discuss about existence. So realizing existence as coexistence at all levels. So in the previous chapters we discussed the basic aspiration of human being, that is happiness, prosperity and its continuity. Continuous happiness is to be in harmony at all levels of being, from individual human being to family to society and to nature or existence. So, to be in harmony or to live in harmony, one needs to understand harmony at all these levels of being. So far, we have explored the harmony in human being, family, society, and nature through the process of self exploration, self investigation. So, in this topic, under this we'll talk about and explore into harmony in existence. So existence as units in space. Existence is whatever exists. Essence of whatever exists is harmony or mutual fulfillment. Essence of whatever is or whatever is to be in harmony or mutual fulfillment. That is how the existence is. When we look around, what do we see? We see so many things: sun, moon, stars, galaxies, people, road, buildings, farms, mountains, rivers, oceans, birds, animals, trees, birds chirping, we can listen. There are so many things, right? When we observe more carefully, we see more subtle units like air and water vapor. All these are units and they occupy a definite volume. So most of these have a definite shape and size. Is there anything else other than units? Yes, there is space. There is space. So there are two types of basic realities in existence. One is space and the other is units. The units are in space. No matter where a unit is or it is moved from one place to the other, it is always in space. There is no way a unit can be taken out of space. Units are inseparable from space. They are indivisible in space. They are actually submerged in space. So these two realities always coexist together. Existence is in the form of coexistence, which is in the form of units submerged in space. So understanding these units in space, it starts with self, individual, human being, family, society, nature, coexistence. So there are innumerable units in existence, that is air, water, soil, earth, sun, moon, plants, trees, animals, birds, human beings, etc. We've explored these units in quite detail in the chapter or in the module of harmony in nature. So now we see that these units are in space. The coexistence of the two is in the form of units submerged in space. So we'll explore some of the identifications of units in space. So here we can see that units are limited in size, space is unlimited. We can observe units all around, they are limited in size. A unit may be small or large, but it is limited in size. For example, a pencil. It's a unit which is small in size. A human being is also a unit, but it is relatively bigger in size. Earth is much larger compared to human being, but still limited in size. Sun is even larger than the earth, but again it is limited in size. All the units, small or big, are limited in size. They have a definite shape and size. But every unit is surrounded by space. It is the space around the unit, because of which the boundary of a unit is determined. We recognize the boundary of a unit along the place where the unit ends and only space exists. Now, coming to space, it's unlimited. It is spread all around, it is all pervading. There is no limited size of space. We are not able to see its boundary. This is one basic difference between units and space. Space is unlimited, and all pervading, whereas units are limited in size. Since units are limited in size, they can be counted in numbers, whereas space is unlimited. We can count 5 trees, 8 people, and so on, while we can only say the space, not this space or that space, as the space is all pervading. Units are activity, they're active, but space is no activity. Every unit is an activity, and it is active in itself. One or the other kind of activity is always taking place in the unit. Further, the unit is interacting with other units. It is active in relation to other units. For example, look at your body. Can you see some of the activities going on in your body? Of course, yes. Respiration, digestion, pulsation. These are some common examples of activities happening in the body. All these activities together define your body. In other words, your body is an activity. Further, you can see that your body is active. It interacts with other units. For instance, your body may be used in activity of cooking food, plowing a field, carrying loads, and so on. So your body is active. When you look at yourself, the activities of desire